This Rise ad has over 40,000 likes, and it's printing money for this $300 million brand. So we are going to steal it and turn it into our own ad using just one prompt. By the end of this, you're going to know exactly how to find winning ads in seconds. Break them down with one Gemini prompt, and then rebuild them using Google Flow in minutes. If we haven't met before, my name is Rush, and as the CEO of Sell the Trend, I've spent years analyzing winning products and ads using real data inside of our platform, which has led to over $500 million in generated revenue for our merchants. So if you are ready for this, hit that like button and let's get into it. So here is exactly how I found this ad, because I've never really heard of Rise before. So inside Sell the Trend, I'm in the Facebook Ads Explorer. This is where you can see ads that are already getting real engagement. So I filtered by anything with over 10,000 likes and selected video ads. And this one immediately stood out for me because of the large text overlays and the 40,000 likes. So I clicked into it, and that's when I noticed something even more interesting. This ad has actually been running for over a year, which tells you that this isn't just a good ad, it's something that is consistently working for the advertiser. And at this point, I knew that it was worth breaking down. And by the way, this is exactly what I use Sell the Trend for, finding ads like this that are already working. I'll leave a free trial link in the description if you want to try it out for yourself. Now, instead of trying to analyze and recreate this ad manually, I'm going to let AI do the heavy lifting. So I created a prompt to break down this entire ad for me. The hook types, the core pain points, the visual patterns that make it engaging, and then rebuilds it for a different product. But before we run this prompt, we need a replacement brand to act as our own product. Since this is a mushroom coffee ad, let's quickly find a similar product. This Four Sigmatic product is perfect. Another brand I've never really heard of, but anyway, is going to work just fine. So now we've got everything that we need. I'm going to download the original ad from Sell the Trend, grab my replacement product details from the website we just found, and now we are ready to run the prompt. So I'm going to drop all of this into Gemini. Now you can use ChatGPT for this. It doesn't really matter, but since we are going to be using Google Flow later on to recreate the ad, I'm going to use Gemini. And what this prompt is doing is simple. It's reverse engineering the ad. It's figuring out what the hook is, what pain point it's hitting, and the emotion that it's triggering, and how the whole thing is structured. Basically, we are going to be extracting the blueprint of this ad. Then the second step of the prompt, it takes the exact structure and rebuilds it for my products as a simple 3-part storyboard. So what we end up with are 3 clear scenes, each one pulling the highest performing elements from the original ad, and then translating them into our own product. Now, if you want to take this even further, you can expand this to 5 or 6 different scenes. This is going to allow you to pull in more of the original ad's hooks, pain points, and key moments. But for this, I'm going to keep it simple. Now, for this next part, we are going to start generating the clips. I'm going to be using Google Flow, which is basically Google's latest image and video generation tool. And honestly, it is one of the best tools out right now for this. You can access it by just searching for Google Flow, logging in with your Google account, and you'll also get some free generations to start. So what I'm going to do here is take each of the scenes that Gemini gave us and generate them one by one. So at the bottom, I'll just make sure I'm choosing video generations and then ingredients. Now each scene already comes with a detailed prompt. So all I have to do here is drop it in here and then let Flow do the work. Now the goal here isn't to make one perfect ad. It's to use AI to spin up multiple variations fast so we can see what actually hits and then double down on the winner. Also, a quick tip, before generating anything, always double check the prompt. If it references the product by name, I'll add the product image to make sure that the output stays accurate to the actual product. In this case, the second and third clips reference the product directly, so I'll upload the product image right here, and then I'll just run through all the C's and generate each clip. Once it's done, it's time to bring everything together. What we need to do next is to stitch these 3 clips into one full ad. I'll use Adobe Premiere for this, but honestly, you can use something like CapCut or any other simple editor. All we're going to do here is combining the clips in order. Then I'll add a few quick touches like captions, maybe some light trimming adjustments, and that's it. This is the final video.
Stop drinking coffee that crashes your system. This is what happens to your brain on functional mushrooms.
Four Sigmatic combines organic coffee with lion's mane to give you sharp focus without the jittery heart racing.
No midday crash, just clean energy to crush your to-do list. Upgrade your morning ritual today.
Now, as we watch this, you'll notice that it captured the same core elements from the original ad. The hook immediately calls out a pain point, Stop drinking coffee that crashes your system, which is exactly what grabs that initial attention. Then it builds interest by introducing a better alternative, highlighting things like lion's mane, improved focus, and no jitters, which are the key benefits that people actually care about. And then it closes with a clear payoff. No crash, clear energy, better productivity. And then ending with a simple call to action. It's not copying the ad, but it's clearly using the same structure that made the original work with the same important keyword triggers. Now, honestly, that alone is enough to start running winning ads. But I wanted to go a step further. Because if you don't want to deal with video or just want something faster to test, there's another angle that is working really well right now. Image ads. In a lot of cases, they're getting 10 to 30% lower CPMs than video ads, mainly because they are faster to produce and you can test way more variations in less time. So, as a quick bonus, let me show you how to do the exact same thing, but with image ads. Let's find an ad that is already working. Back inside Sell the Trends Facebook Explorer, I'm going to filter with ads with over 10,000 engagement again. And now we want to select image ads. And this one right here stands out. It's clear, it's vibrant, it already has a strong visual hook, so it's going to be perfect to model. Now, before we recreate it, we need a product. So I'm going to jump into handpick winners inside Sell the Trend and find something visually interesting that we can use for this test. This one right here looks perfect. So I'll open it up, grab the product image, and then copy the example store at the bottom. We're going to need these two elements to feed into the prompt to give it the context that it needs. Now we're going to use this to generate our own version of the ad. So back inside Flow, I'll start a new project, select image at the bottom, set the format to square for social, and then choose the Nano Banana model. Now here is the important part. Instead of creating something from scratch, we're going to tell it to follow the structure of the original ad. So I'm going to drop a simple prompt, basically telling it, use the style of this ad, but replace the product with mine and adapt the messaging to match the benefit of my product. Again, I'm going to leave the prompt in the description of the video. Then I'll upload the original ad image as reference and add my product link in the prompt so it knows exactly what to work with and generate. Now, quick tip here. The first time I generated this, it actually got the product wrong. It created a really nice ad, but it was using a completely different version of the product, which obviously is not going to work. So this is AI. It's not perfect yet. If you want accurate results, sometimes you need to guide the model a little bit more. Now, to get a better result, I'll upload an image of my product so the model knows exactly what it needs to feature in the ad. Now hit generate again. And finally, we get a great looking ad that keeps the same visual flair of the original, but includes our products and benefits. It even changed the coffee bits to honeycombs, which is a very nice touch. So now you have the full process. So let's recap it really quickly. First, find a winning ad that is already getting engagement. That is key. Then break down what actually makes it work using AI, adapt that structure to your own product, then generate video assets, and finally stitch everything into a finished ad. And that's it. We're not trying to reinvent the wheel. We're just taking what is already working and make it our own. If you want more AI content like this, drop AI in the comments. And if you want to find winning ads and products just like the ones that are featured in the video, I have a Sell the Trend free trial linked in the description. You also get 20% off so you can try it out risk-free. Now, this is how you create ads that actually convert. But ads are only half the game. If you want to learn how to drive free traffic to your product pages, watch this video here next. I break down how people are getting traffic on autopilot right now using AI. And that's it for me. Until next time, power to you and the people.